One bright morning in the jungle, Monkey woke up with a big smile on his face. Today was his birthday. Monkey loved birthdays. He was certain his friends had planned something very special. He jumped down from his tree and ran to meet them. Zebra was standing near the bushes. "Good morning, Zebra," said Monkey. Zebra replied, "Good morning. Lovely weather today." Monkey waited, but Zebra said nothing more. He walked further and met Parrot. "Hello, Parrot," said Monkey. "Hello, Monkey," said Parrot. No birthday song, no wish. Elephant walked past carrying a bucket. "Hi, Elephant," said Monkey. "Hello," said Elephant and kept walking. Monkey felt a tear in his eye. "No one remembers my birthday," he whispered sadly. But why did everyone forget Monkey's birthday? To find out, let's go back a few hours because something very funny and a little magical happened that morning. Behind the big banyan tree, the naughty chameleon found an old book of magic. He saw a spell that makes you forget the most important thing of the day. "This looks fun," he said with a grin. He read aloud, "Dee-dum, dee-dum, dee-dum, det. Forest fairies cast the spell net. The most important thing today, the animals shall forget." Chameleon giggled. Green sparkles burst into the air. They floated over the trees and over every animal in the jungle. All over the jungle, the animals felt confused. Monkey's friends felt they should be doing something. Without knowing why, Zebra baked a cake. Elephant cut fruits. Tortoise tied streamers from long leaves. Birds picked flowers. Parrot practiced a song, but he forgot the words. Everyone was getting ready for something, but no one knew what. Near the river, Monkey sat quietly on a rock. It did not feel like a birthday at all. Just then, a rustling sound came from the bushes. Chameleon had climbed too high into a thorny branch and was stuck. Monkey quickly helped him get free. Chameleon saw how sad Monkey looked. He realized that because of his spell, everyone had forgotten Monkey's birthday. Chameleon felt terrible. He hurried back to the book of magic spells and read, "Dee-dum, dee-dum, dee-dum, det. Forest fairies cast the spell net. Let all the animals remember today what the magic made them forget." Golden sparkles flew across the jungle. Suddenly, Zebra dropped the spoon. "The cake! It's for Monkey!" Elephant gasped. "It's his birthday!" Parrot shouted, "I remember the song!" Tortoise said slowly, We forgot Monkey's birthday. And all the animals ran as fast as they could. Monkey was still by the river when he heard a loud shout, "Surprise!" He turned around. All his friends were there. Zebra hugged him tight. We forgot, but somehow we were getting ready all day long. Monkey looked at his friends. He was very happy. He smiled and said, "Today I thought nobody remembered my birthday, but I learned something very special. Even if friends forget, the heart remembers." And that's how it became the happiest birthday Monkey had ever had.